Dito na tayo sa bayan ng Alcala and maraming ano dyan, mga food stall. So, marami tayong pagpipilian ng...
You're gonna try panipuri? What?
Ah, panipuri. Gawa ka?
Samosa?
Why don't you sell? While we're here.
I think people will like it.
Yeah, make some money.
People will like it. Because the water is cold, right?
Yeah.
So it's good for this weather.
Ayan. Oh, they have Christmas tree there too. Let's go there later. Anong pufood tripin natin dyan? May chicken inasal. May siomay. Siomay. Ah, ito gusto ni Kuya. Tusok-tusok. Tusok-tusok. Ah, gusto ko yun, Kuya. Yung proben. Proben. Proben yan, di ba? Ito, proben.
Iba yan?
Ano ba yan? Chicken skin? Gusto ko yan. Chicken skin. Kano yan, Kuya? 20. 20. Chicken skin.
Chicharron?
Chicken skin.
And the other one?
Chicken liver. Ma, kayo gusto nyo, Ma?
No?
Ayaw. You want?
Are you the vlogger?
I'm the vlogger. I'm the vlogger. Chef is very busy. Chef is very busy.
Oh, you're not. Ay, hindi siya marunong mag-vlog.
What happened to the camera?
You're showing the ano, the sky.
The sky.
Zerap.
Not bad. Nice.
Ikaw din? Saan si Tatay?
Gusto ko rin yan ah. May ito daw, may coins daw siya.
I don't know, may conceal
My wallet is so
2020 is 40.
so heavy because of the.
Ha? Dog. Ang cute, no? Kwek, kwek. Sige ha. Lagyan natin ang sauce ng kwek, kwek. Wait lang.
Madam kami doon?
Sauce ka din? Try it. Try one.
I know. How about this?
So cute. Take it.
You want this one? You want? Hungry?
Sumate, of course. It's gonna say yes. Ay, pinakain talaga. Ano yan? Sumito.
Goat. Goat. Really?
Yeah. from the milk tea. You know the milk tea. Ay, kumain nga siya. No more.
That's my dinner later.
Dinner pala. Pinapataba lang. Hinahanap namin yung ano, tawag dito yung shake. Yung shake na nabili namin dati. Sabi ni Kuya, dito daw lahat. Di naman namin mahanap. Sobrang sarap nun eh.
That's
What?
safe. Yeah. The people.
I think they're trying to put it as a, what do you call that?
Proper, like
Yeah, something like that.
for the dog.
I don't know. Punta kami dun sa kabilang side ng bayan, guys. Hanapin namin yung mango graham shake na na-try namin before. Wala kasi dito eh. Ito na yung park. Ang daming tao. Ang daming mga estudyante na nakatambay. Students are here.
Yeah.
It looks so dark. Why?
I don't know. They didn't turn on the lights. All the lights.
No, they have, but it's kind of dim. How do you like the Christmas tree over there?
Yep. Let's go.
Check the
Near
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Sa umaga, eh walang ilaw. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Oh. Ano lang, gawa lang siya sa ano? Tama tawag dyan. Where do we exit that side? Do you want a picture here? In front, I heart Alcala. Let's go take a look. Picture tayo dito. It's only Alcala, not I heart Alcala. Zaire. Tara, doon tayo.
Where is the...
Oh, the other building there. Oh, the mango. Sa Island.
Oh, doon nga. Sa may I love Alcala. Oh, your favorite burger, oh.
Hot dog?
Yeah. Favorite yan ni Sumit eh. Yung burgeran dito.
Big Mac. Big Mac.
Big Mac. You want later? I think I want some later.
Later.
Yeah. Ah, nice, right?
Hmm?
The Christmas lights.
Bigger.
Oh yeah, bigger is good. Bigger. They also have this fried chicken here, oh, 5-star. Wow, oh, I want the crispy chicken.
They already closed down.
Bakit 3?
Chicken. Ulukan.
Fried chicken. Try ko yan next time.
Municipality spends a lot of money, is it?
They got a lot of money too, that's why. Balot daw, sabi sing. More street food pa here, mga ihaw-ihaw naman. Grilled or barbecue. It's noisy, no? Very noisy.
Very nice.
Ang favorite ni Sumit, ang bangus.
Bangus.
There.
Actually, it's nice.
The grilled bangus. Yeah.
The palutan is good.
Pulutan, very nice. Dito yun dati. Asan na kaya? Ako ma, dito.
Here? Is it?
I don't know.
Is there
It
any
used to
other
be
place?
here before. Oh, I think they already moved. What is this Hungry
Is it
Bite?
upstairs?
I'm not sure. Hungry Bite. No more. Anana.
Why?
I don't know.
It was nice.
Chicken wings. This is a Hungry Bite.
No more.
Wala nang mango shake. O, balik tayo doon. Tara. Oo.
Ayun na din sa gilid.
Oo. Yung mango shake, mango graham. Sarap nun. Wala na pala.
Very nice.
Ito na lang tatry namin daw, yung frappe, sabi ni Mama. Tara, G. Bago yan, ma?
Bago. May balance pa ako.
They don't have many.
Ayun yung kanilang menu. Nag-order na kami. Salted caramel akin. Tapos kay Mama is blueberries and cream frap.
Mango.
No.
Graham, right? Mango
Yeah,
graham.
they don't have. I changed. Salamat.
Tawagin na lang po.
Sige. I thought there's no more change eh. Hindi marunong sa math.
What?
They wanted to get rid of the coin, sabi niya.
Can I give him?
I don't know, you can ask. Notes. I'm gonna buy more tusok-tusok. Ito na, blueberries and cream ni Mama. Mama, oh. Ito yung sa akin, salted caramel iced latte. What's the meeting? Just take a sip. Pwede naman, seat or...
Yeah.
You don't want to take a seat?
No. It's good, but they use powders. Same as Portugal.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang.
Good.
You want to try?
No,
Here's your straw.
I'm gonna.
Bibili daw siya ng buko shake naman niya.
Oh, boy.
Ay, masarap siya. Let's go na. Tara na, Ma. Try daw ni Sumit tong buko shake nila rito.
This one is grande.
Yeah, grande. Maybe you try this one.
It's too big.
Yeah, it's too big. You try this one.
Order.
Ay, may ube flavor din eh, oh.
Na, ano lang, plain. Papa. Isa lang.
They have flavored. Which one?
Just
Try the small one.
just the plain one.
Try ko next time yung ube. I want to try that next time.
Yeah.
The
How,
ube.
Papa? You want? Which one?
This one, the chocolate
You want this
or
one?
the ube?
Parang ube masarap eh.
This one.
It's only pump up.
Oh, flavor. It's not real.
It's not really.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
The small one.
For you.
For me and Papa. We have to share.
In
one.
total, 2.
Okay. Dalawang small daw po. Po.
May paganyan ka pa.
Joy, Joy! May taga-ikot eh, no?
Libre po. Libre. Hindi na kailangan ng
Tatry daw namin tong ano, sisig ni Atok. Yeah. That's one. Ay, wala pa lang.
Let's go.
Ayan, oh.
Iwanan ko po dito sa
You want balon?
Ano masarap din?
Kumang kalkul. Asan?
Ayan, wait lang, besa. Vlog ko lang.
Ano? Ay, ilang ano?
Lahat na daw.
Hoy! Yo, akin na yung notebook, Jo.
Ah, ako na lang.
Busy sila.
Kaya nga, mama ka naman. Ikaw na nga lang dito. Ako si Sumi. Sino yung kasama ni Kuya Willie?
Rebellion eh.
Sino?
Yan na, sa kanila.
Rebellion. Marunong ka magsitig? Oo. Eh, tingnan, marunong ka?
Nagsisigig ka?
Wee!
Ay, hindi na lang. Ano rin natin para alam natin.
Oo, para alam natin.
Yan. May giniling pala yun. Ang ano ko.
Atay po.
Ay, atay. Okay.
Atay kasi, hindi giniling.
Ah, yun yung sekreto.
Atay, magaya nga.
Kasi kami balat lang eh. Garne-garne lang. May atay pala siyang nilalagay.
Ano order nila?
Kuya, dagdagan mo. Ay, dagdagan mo pa ng
Yo, may
dalawang, yung isang 65.
Lahat mo na kaya. Konti na lang yata yan eh.
Ano maglagay ng ano pili? Masarap ang kalahin. Penny Willy.
May sakit ba ako kailangan nila?
Meron din.
Hindi ko na alam kung sa kanila guys.
Barya lang 60. Oh, di ba? Hindi halata kasi barya lang 60.
Sakto lang. Kalamansi.
Good?
Sakto nga yan.
Average.
Charon?
Yeah.
You did not order?
Huh?
Ayun, order daw siya. Ayaw niya daw kanina
Yeah, maybe
eh.
we will
Sino?
order cake.
No, no, no.
Maybe we will just buy, let's buy bangus. You want bangus?
Yeah, I think that one is
Much better, right? Bangus with bagong and calamansi and sili. For dinner with vegetable. Bangus with vegetable. Much better.
Sarap siya. Bakal ba? Ito yung typical sisig.
Magkakatama ka naman sa kabila naman. Kakaltungan ka na naman. Kabila papantayin ni mama yan.
Hindi.
Ay, joke lang, joke lang.
Huwag ka na masyado. Tinulak ko yan kagabi sa hagdan eh. Ang tagal kasi umakyat. Hindi ba ba tayo?
Lasing din.
Tapos kinuha ko lahat ng relo niya mga ano.
Bakit?
Pagising niya, akala niya na nakakita.
Totoo lang din.
Tapos na kami mag food trip guys. Naglakad na kami pa uwi. Actually malapit na kami sa bahay. Kaya bili lang daw si kuya ng alaksan niya dito sa tindahan. You wanna go? Wala kuya? Kaya nga galing ka na ng bayan eh. Ala ka.
Asa si Jerry Boy? Tumakas ka. Ayan, tumakas.
Ay, nag-vlog kayo?
Hi ka sa vlog. Hi! Naiya siya. Oo. Wala, madilim eh. O, dito. Kita ka na. O, yan, nakita ka na. Naiya na siya.
Thank you, bye-bye!
Bye.
Yeah. Ging daw, mama. Pang ang nickname niya, hindi Jingjing. Ging, ikaw kasi Jingjing ka ng Jingjing.
Gang.
Kaya nga, sinigeng-ging. Kasama mo araw-araw, hindi mo kilala.
Jerry Boy, Demi Boy.
Sabi, Palayaw.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good